Okay, second time here. I've had to cancel my second attempt. So what I've done is I've bored holes for the tungsten rods, because unless you do that, you're just going to get away on you. Come back here, and as you can see, this is all the stainless steel that was wrapped around it. So we're going back to the beginning here. About 10 feet of wire, and maybe we'll see if we can wrap it around this leg first. Doing the back side of the swirl, just to lock this wire in place. So it's actually not going to have any function except to hold the front together, right? So it's start winding away here. Everything grabs this one. Okay. This is a lot easier to do when it's like this. So we're wrapping 18 gauge stainless steel wire around 3 tungsten rods. And in the first video I was stating before that the level 4 flame is pretty well eating up the stainless steel wire just in an hour's use. Okay, come here, you. I'm going to have to clip these off. Weave them through once you're done, I guess. The stainless steel wire is not the easiest in the world to wrap. Okay, that's good. We'll come to the front here now. Once you get a memory in it, very difficult. I wish I had a monitor to watch all this. The purpose of all this is to try to hold the level 4 flame into position. You have to only do this raw. This cord here, just getting in the way. Okay. Let's continue to wrap. I'm going to put the stainless steel washer on the end of this, just to button up the end. I better do that right away, I think. Where'd it go? There we go. I don't think the fire is going to be too particular in how this wire is wrapped. I want to leave the end sticking out about a ½ inch, just so I can watch the color change. So we're going back again. Winding back on itself. Going up ahead again. Probably around 10 feet of wire on this now. So I've pretty well done all the testing I'm going to do as far as knowing what the Joe pipe can do, and I want to get into making a functional device. And I'm looking into, or thinking about, making a 1 cubic foot water plenum to show on CBC's Dragon's Den. I don't know if you guys have heard of it. This is where various inventors come and they show off their invention. And the board is made up of 6 panelists, being the investors. So I'm sure that a Joe pipe water heater, using both the direct heating of the pipe and the super hot exhaust, is going to make a very efficient system. So let's see, upwards in the top 10% in the world, and there's a lot that you can do with it. Let's get this off here. Come on, you. There we go. So I'll just back breathe this in. Trying to catch the tail end here. Hopefully Luca won't be back for a while. Haven't put supper away yet. And I'm planning to do a series on the homeless, and I've been walking today. When I walked down to get checked out with the doctor for my arm, what came to mind, and I was looking for a title for the homeless. I actually want to make an outreach to the mayor here in the city, to Mayor Greg Moore of Poco. I actually met him in Starbucks a few days ago. I don't think it was coincidence. And something needs to be done for the 2010 Olympics for the homeless. I'd like to present this 3-point plan that I received in the dream state of how simple it would be to bring the homeless from where they're sleeping underneath bridges and sidewalks now back into mainstream society. And the name of, I'm going to call this video series, is going to be Homeless Joe. And Homeless Joe, so that'd probably be vid series, say 350 plus, right? So I'm going to reserve between 350 to 360 for Homeless Joe vids while working on this plenum device. Trying to get this out now. Now let's see. That's okay. I like that. The wires are flat, so it should slide in the pipe not too badly. Don't have to smash it in. So what I might do is put the food away, and we're going to fire this up. Well, that's your level 4 swirl pack. This is the back side. The air and the fuel, propane comes in through here, goes through the eye, and it develops a thermoelectric flame here. And the reason for this wire is more or less to hold in try to enhance the intensity of the flame. So it should be all kind of activity around this wire. Okay, there you have it. As soon as I get the dishes put away, we'll come back in part 3 on this. This is the Joe Pipe Level 4 Swirl Pack.